Chelsea again. So we're at the nature center again. And this time with my cousin Joe this time. And with my mom. And with my cousin Krista. Well, we're walking a different path this time. And yeah. And you can see that there's a whole bunch of plants and trees. And there's a big, and I saw a cardinal and some flowers blooming up now.
Okay, now you can record. Yeah, this time the flowers, the little ones.
Yep, the little ones. Here, take a look right there. Those are blooming up. And some when we were coming in, there was some big ones. There's some big animals. Ew. There's.
You have it turned around where you can.
There is some animals where. Oh, yeah. You don't know. Wow. That was actually going there. And after this, we're going to go home and.
Go this way. Scoot over, Joe.
Water. And y'all, I see a dog. And yeah. And let's go see the birds. Let's be quiet.
Let's go explore.
Yeah. So now we're already running inside of here. And we're going in. Oh, there's a whole bunch of type of birds. Cardinal.
Tells you the different birds that you can see.
Yeah.
So let's see if you sit here and look out. Oh, I can see a cardinal.
Whoa.
Cardinal on the top.
And there's a yellow.
Squirrels.
Yeah, squirrels sometimes get in here.
There's two cardinals, and what are those yellow ones? Those are American goldfinch.
The yellow ones are American goldfinch.
Oh, you want to see two?
Yeah. And those kind of birds over here. You might not see. That's chirping around like jumping.
Oh, there's four. There's four cardinals.
Huh.
Do you see the cardinals, JoJo? Cardinals are the red ones.
The ones right here, you guys might know what these are. These. Do you know what these are? White threaded sparrows.
Chipmunks.
Where are chipmunks?
Right by the squirrel.
I see a chipmunk. Alvin and the chipmunks.
Can I go catch it? No. Yeah. Oh, this is so neat.
Isn't that neat, guys? That's so cool.
They're like brown with a white stripe. Can you find which bird is brown with a white stripe on it?
Look. A brown and white stripe.
Oh, it looks.
A white. Hold on.
Oh, the golden finch. We didn't see any of the blue ones. Maybe we'll see like a woodpecker. We hear them when we're here, don't we?
Yeah, we hear them when we're here and stuff.
I think we've seen it once, but we've not.
Yeah. But yeah, we're going this way now. Wait, really? We're about to see a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff. Here's some more flowers. Some more flowers.
Run up there, Krista.
There's a lot of flowers.
Jojo, we don't touch things. We stay on the path.
And you can actually see a pond.
You hear the ducks and the geese. Okay, well say goodbye so I can take pictures.
Okay. So, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please smash that like button, and I hope you like my video. And bye.
Bye.